Hello everyone, this is K. Peter. I've been surfing the internet for quite some time, and I've been surfing videos on YouTube for quite some time as well. But I've never really found videos drawing memes. Now there are some videos out there drawing like K-pop memes here and there, but I didn't see a channel that was dedicated on drawing like specific memes from a specific time period. So today I wanted to kind of change that up a bit. I wanted to do my take on drawing memes. So I thought this was a great opportunity for me to start something new. So I decided to draw a meme. Now the meme that I'm going to be drawing is, I suppose it is a bit dead, but it still lives on in my heart today. The reason being, it's because it's this guy right over here. This guy right over here. Can you see him? This big chunky old dude. This is, I do believe the meme is called a big Yoshi or fat Yoshi, whatever you want to call him. It's obviously a chubby looking Yoshi. It's been around for quite some time now. Like it's been like years since it's been first released. I like Yoshi, I really do. And I decided to kind of give my take on this Yoshi character. But here's the catch. I'm gonna draw not just this. I mean, just drawing this is too simple enough. I decided to draw this guy with a slight little twist, and you guys will see in the time-lapse video coming up. So without further ado, let's get straight into the time-lapse video. Okay, voiceover time. Before we get into the proper time-lapse video, here are the reference photos that I took reference for my big Yoshi drawing. Like I mentioned before, I was going to add a little twist on this drawing because drawing big Yoshi alone would be just a little boring in my opinion. So I wanted to add something to spice up this drawing, if that makes sense. In this case, I wanted to make big Yoshi not alone. I mean, look at the guy. He's been sitting by himself for years, and I wanted to change that. I mean, he deserves some companionship. So I decided to give him 4 new friends. With that out of the way, let's get into the proper portion of this time-lapse video. Now for any drawing, you obviously have to do a sketch. Now for this drawing that I drew, I thought it'd take a little bit more longer to do a sketch, but it actually wasn't that hard. The hard part was the line art section of my drawing. I shouldn't really say that it was hard, I should say that it was a lot more time consuming than the sketch. So basically, sketching is just a way for me to organize where each individual character is going to be located. Line art is the part of the drawing where I smoothen out the dirty lines and basically make the drawing seem a lot more easier to examine. That sounded way too stupid in my opinion, so let's just keep the video going. Now let's get into the coloring part of the drawing. Coloring is always the fun part of drawing a picture like this. However, in this case, I wanted to do something a little bit different regarding the whole drawing. On my previous video, on the Groudon drawing that I did before, I didn't add a background. I just had a simple, plain, one-colored background. But for this drawing, I wanted to kind of make it a little bit more cute. But I realized that I wasn't really good at doing background, so I completely got rid of the background that I was planning on drawing, and I just went with a simplistic pink background. Maybe in the future I might come back to this drawing and maybe I might add a background to kind of fit the whole aesthetic of these guys, but until then, this will obviously have to do. So, without further ado, here is the end result. Thank you to everyone that has watched all the way to the end, it means a lot to me. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, that also means the world to me. Also, if you have any suggestions for me to draw, leave down in the comments below. I'll choose one that seems the most interesting, and I'll probably upload a drawing on that thing that you suggested in the near future. So anyways, thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the near future. Take care.